Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how solar panels are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every solar panel begins with carefully inspected, high-quality raw materials.
Each component is measured with incredible precision to ensure maximum efficiency. Automated preparation ensures every component is perfectly ready for assembly. Silicon wafers undergo specialized processing to become efficient photovoltaic cells.
Technicians continuously monitor every stage using advanced quality control systems.
Automation ensures safe, accurate, and consistent handling throughout production.
Individual solar cells are connected into strings to generate electrical power. Multiple protective layers are combined to create a durable solar panel. Heat and pressure permanently seal every layer for long-lasting performance. Strong aluminum frames protect each panel for decades of outdoor use. Every panel undergoes comprehensive electrical testing before approval. Final inspections guarantee the highest quality standards. Approved panels are carefully packaged to ensure safe transportation worldwide. The finished panels are now ready to power homes and businesses around the world. From raw silicon to renewable energy, every step is driven by precision, innovation, and sustainability.
And that's how solar panels are made, from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
The future of energy is here. Explore the possibilities with us, and be sure to subscribe for the latest updates.